My son wants to be the Predator for Halloween. He's 6. My budget is gonna be 30 bucks. I'm gonna try to make it. Let's see if we could do it. So to make the mask, I actually bought this mask online for like 4 bucks. It was just a mask, so to add the dreads, I got rope from the dollar store. I got some electrical tape and I wrapped it around the rope. And I attached a baseball hat to the back of the mask so that I could attach the dreads to it. Okay, so far everything's from the dollar store. I got this little, I don't know, armor piece. Took this off. I put some shoulder pads right here. Actually, what are they? They're knee pads. And I'm gonna add the armor to this. Let's see how it goes. I'm gonna cut this out and I'm gonna put it right in the middle. So I got this little gun also at the dollar store. I'm gonna spray paint it black and I'm gonna put it right there on the shoulder pad. An applesauce box. I'm going to cut shapes out to put armor on top of the foam. Okay, I just spray painted everything like a metallic silver. And now I'm gonna add some black. Okay, now I'm gonna do the blade down the arm. I'm gonna use one of these emergency boxes. I got a paper towel roll, cut it in half. All right, time to spray paint.